Hi friends, last week I had to apply for an Indian visum and I don't know about you, but I found it terribly complicated. It was like, okay, send us a picture. No, not this resolution. No, not this file size, blah, blah, blah. I really wanted a Chrome extension that right sizes pictures for myself. So I wrote one and you can have it too. Let's have a look here at this website, Linux Intro, which is my website. And here we see, for example, one image, and I want to right size it. So I right click onto it, download and resize image. This is the extension I wrote. Now it proposes to me 100%. I say okay. Now okay, 296 kilobytes is the size. So maybe that's too big for me. So I again click download and resize and say this time I want to have this 50%, and you see file size has been reduced from 296 kilobyte. It has been reduced to a 100 kilobyte. So maybe even the embassy accepts your passport photo with this size. Okay, so how can you have the same? I published this under github.com/Chrome extensions. And this is where you would go. I put the link into the description also. Then you go to right-click resize. And here you find all the code, including the icons. Now let's download this here. No, not a good idea. You say download zip. There it is. I'm under Linux here, but should work the same under Windows. I say extract into downloads, okay. And then I say extract, and then say close. Now I go to the CD downloads, ls-ltrh. If you have watched my video on Linux, you know that this shows you the latest files at the bottom. So here we see Chrome extensions main. Let's also use an unzip -r Chrome extensions main.zip. Okay, that did not really work. Anyway, next step is that you go to Chrome :/extensions. And here I have my right-click resizer already installed, so I will remove it again. Then you have to enter developer mode, which I did already here. So this is how it would work. Then you say load unpacked. Then you say Chrome extensions. And inside you select right-click resize and click on select. And now you have it here in your browser. And now you can start using it. For example, let's go back to this Linux intro page. And I can also click here. And I can say download and resize image. I can not only download it mentioning %, I can also say a resolution like 1920 times 1080. There's another thing to note, that is that you can run into coarse errors. So if a site offers you an image that comes from another site, whose source is on another site, then you can actually not use this because it's been blocked by coarse. I'm working on this, and it's relatively complicated to understand. It also means that you cannot open a file locally and then work on it. But I tested WhatsApp, Facebook, Linux intro. All these pages just work. You can just download it as you imagine it. Just local files are not possible, and files whose source is on another website are also not possible. So whenever you have a problem, you want to convert a file, upload it to Facebook, install my extension, download it, and it should work. I don't know of any better way how to scale an image. Okay, I hope you like this tip. If yes, then please give me a comment, and I will be very happy about this. See you soon.